The deer is visiting Functional Rustic again. It's pretty cool. He's usually got two others with him. Or her. I don't know if it's boy or girl. But I don't know where they are. All right, Val, go see if it wants to play. You know, the deer is not fleeing very fast. I think it wants to play with my dog. Look, it's still over there. I don't know if you can see him. Oh, that's crazy. Hey, Val. Val, come here. Well, the deer is still standing there. The dog found something to sniff. See more of the sights and sounds of Functional Rustic at functionalrustic.com. Uh-oh. Hold on. Valencia Marble the dog is back in the game. Oh, come on, go for the deer. It wants to play. It's literally hanging out in the yard. All right, I'm going to get a better view of this. Again, see more of the sights and sounds of Functional Rustic at functionalrustic.com.